Okay, so for this video, we're demonstrating the correction procedure. It's important to understand that the specific procedure that I'm demonstrating right now is just one example of how we work on this discrimination. We individualize it based on the child. So this is one way that you can correct it. The key take-home point is you're focusing on the discrimination and reinforcing that. So if the child does not answer both questions back to back, or if there's more than two things that they're erring on and mixing up, if they don't answer that whole set correctly, they don't get reinforcement for that, and you try it again. With some clients, I'll use prompting to help them learn what the right answer is. In this specific example, I'm not going to prompt. We're just going to reset and do it again so you can see what that looks like, because we all kind of know what prompting looks like. The key though is you can't provide reinforcement unless they get both correct, because you're working on reinforcing discrimination, not just one response. Okay. Look, here are the letters. Here are the numbers. Letter, number, letter, letter, number, number. What are all of these?
Letters.
Oh, let's try that again. Letter, number, letter, number, letter, number, number, letter. What are all of these?
Numbers.
That's right. And what are all of these?
Letters.
That's awesome. Nice job, Mallory. Here you go. So you saw in this example when Mallory called the numbers letters, I didn't tell her I didn't tell her the correct answer because I don't want her to become prompt dependent on me correcting it and then just getting it right because I told her the answer. So we just reset. I said, let's try again. And we went through the process again. You can also tell I haven't explained this yet, but I'm trying to mix up what I'm handing to her so that it's in a random order, and that's helping with the discrimination as well, because she has to visually discriminate where to put the items. And then she's hearing that auditory discrimination though of number, letter, whichever one I'm saying. And then what we will also do in another video is I'll show you how we do the sorting in a more advanced way. But the key is I didn't provide reinforcement until she got both correct. If she had erred again that second time around, I would do it again. And I would just keep doing it until she gets it correct. Now for most clients, I'll set a stop point. So if we try it 3 times and they don't get it, we just move on to something else. But whatever we try to have, when there's a discrimination issue, we try to have the reinforcer be the thing that the child values most so that they're very motivated to learn to discriminate those things. And we save that, then we'll try it again later. So they still earn access to reinforcement for other programs, but whatever special reinforcer we've identified for discrimination, they can only earn from making that discrimination. If I'm consistently encountering a situation where this procedure isn't working and they're not discriminating, I'm doing it 2 or 3 times or not getting it on the first time, then I would troubleshoot that. And I may add in some more prompting, or I may have to only have them sort a couple cards, or I may have to have them sort in whatever the last one was. So the last thing that Mallory heard, if she heard letters last, I would ask that one for that trial, and then next time I would do numbers or something like that. That doesn't quite help us with the discrimination back to back, but sometimes you have to make those adjustments.